Hey everyone, welcome back. So today is going to be a vlog. I'm actually getting ready and drinking some coffee because I have a hair appointment to go to and I want to definitely be awake. So if you like these type of vlogs, continue watching and I'll see you guys in a bit. About to head to the hair salon. I have an appointment around 11 o'clock, so I am ready to just get my hair to my natural dark color. I love dark. Sometimes for the summertime I go lighter, but I always like just feel like I miss my dark hair. And also I'm gonna get a blowout too. I love blowouts. I feel like my hair just looks and lasts a week. So I'm definitely excited for that. So I'll see you guys. Hey guys, so good morning. It's the next day. I am gonna be packing an order. I just got an order from the shop and I will be packing an order today. I suggest for any business owners who are out there, do your own customization, get yourself this little stamper, which I can link for you down in the description box if you're interested where I got these, but these have come in handy. Okay, so I just got here at the post office. I'm about to drop this off in the mail. Our processing time is between 2 to 5 days. I usually try to ship them as soon as possible, within 1 or 2 days. And then you usually get them within 2 to 5 days after that. Feel free to check out my jewelry store. I will leave it linked down below in the description box if you are interested. And I also have a discount code if you're coming from YouTube also, and I will leave the code down below in the description box. So I did get some stuff from Anthropologie that I recently purchased. So we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you guys what I did end up getting. I did order 2 things from them. I saw this bag on Anthropologie on their website. So this is what it's wrapped in. It's what it looks like. Super cute. I'm actually going to probably wear it today and style it and show you guys how I would wear it. So this is what I got from Anthropologie. It's quite pricey. I don't want to tell you guys the price, but it's like $128. I mean, compared to the actual Bottega Veneta bag, I think this is super affordable. Such a great dupe and good quality too. The inside is very roomy. You can see quite a lot of bit of room, which I really like. And it has a zipper also inside too. You can put your phone in. It has also pockets in the inside as well. I don't know if you guys can see. Super cute. Love the way it actually sits on the shoulder. So that's one thing I got. And then the other thing that I did end up getting was a cardigan. This is actually super big. I think this is like a one size fits type of cardigan. So I am quite petite, so I don't know how this is gonna fit me. Again, let's see. It's super cute and comfy. The quality is amazing, and yeah, this is super comfy and it fits me right a little bit below my knee, but it's great. It's very comfortable and it feels amazing, so I'm actually quite happy about it. So I'm gonna wear this today and show you guys how I would style it. Just very like casual, but yeah, can't wait to wear. Okay, so this is the outfit, what I'm gonna be wearing for today. Super casual. Love the bag, you guys. Super cute. Let me just show you guys an up close of the bag. Love the bag, and I am loving this cardigan. It's very oversized. I can't believe this is like a one size cardigan because it literally feels like meant for petites. So if you are petite, you're looking for an oversized cardigan like this, definitely try this one out. It's super cute and I love it. Going out to dinner, so I'll be seeing you guys maybe. I just got back from going out to eat. It was actually really bad outside. It was like raining, pouring rain outside. So I'm super glad I came back home because I got 2 packages in the mail. One of them was like super wet. So I got myself 2 pairs of Uggs because these were actually in stock. By the way, my dog is like chewing on his bone and he's making a loud noise, so I'm sorry and apologize if you guys can hear him. First pair I got were these Ultra Minis. These are super cute. I got these in a size 3 and these are in the color sand, and they are really nice and chunky. Let me just show you guys. I got a size 3 because for some reason the size 4 in these are super huge. Fits perfect. Love it. I'm glad I got this color. I was gonna get the one in chestnut. So if you're shopping for Uggs and you're a size 6-7, try the kids section. See if you can find your size. In these, in the Ultra Minis, they tend to run a little bit bigger, so I ended up getting a size 3. And you know what, also what I really like about the kid size, also that the platform is not as tall as the women's, which I actually prefer because for some reason when it looks too high, it just looks really weird on my legs. These tend to go out of stock quite quickly, so I'm just saying they are very popular. And for me, I tend to shop usually in the kids section. So yeah, let's open this one up. This one I believe is actually from Uggs itself. The other one was from a company called Footprint, and I did get the color black in the Ultra Minis. I do have the Taz in the kids size as well that I wore today. Those are in kids and they fit me amazing. Again, the platform is smaller than the regular women's, so I definitely prefer that way. And these are also in a size 3, and hopefully they fit the same. I really just have to test it out really quickly just to see if they do fit me. But yeah, they do fit me really good. I'm glad I got the black one because I can totally see myself wearing this with a lot of jeans because it's just one of those universal colors, black obviously. I'm debating whether I want to get the chestnut. Again, these are $40 less than the regular sized women's, so you are going to save at least $40 if you get it in this kids youth section. By the way, I'll link all the things that I showed you guys in the video down below in the description box. You guys can check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was super small. I know it's a vlog. If you guys do like these type of videos, let me know. I probably will incorporate it more often here in my channel. Follow me on Instagram or on TikTok. I will link the links down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and coming along with me.